Continues surrounding a sensitive topic involving alcohol and sex assault victims. An SMU campus article by a student writer has drawn sharp criticism, though she stands by her intended message. It was a story you've seen only here on Fox 4, and today, Dion Anglin spoke with a rape crisis expert who weighs in. From SMU's daily campus newspaper to the national spotlight, an editorial written by senior journalism major Kirby Wiley. She didn't want her face shown when she talked to Fox 4. Her article urging college women to drink less alcohol because she says getting drunk puts them at greater risk of being sexually assaulted.
For me, I think it was an eye-opener to hear that a lot of these cases happen when women are too intoxicated.
Courtney Underwood couldn't disagree more.
We look at the victim and say, well, if you hadn't been drinking, this probably wouldn't have happened to you, or maybe it wouldn't have.
Is that bad? Is that bad to say that?
That's horrible to say.
Underwood was sexually assaulted when she was 15. Today, she's executive director of the SANE Initiative in Dallas, a group that promotes crisis services for rape victims. She says alcohol overconsumption should definitely be discouraged, but coupling that notion with rape prevention is misguided.
I just think it should be separate because it's not what is causing the sexual assault. It's not the sexual assault victim's fault that someone took advantage of them in that situation.
Wiley has endured sharp criticism in the backlash. However, she mentioned in the article and continues to say she never intended to diminish the role of sex assault perpetrators.
And I think I should have been more clear and definitely had been more clear and better with my wording in terms of the blaming the victim, because I didn't mean for it to come off that way.
Underwood says the article magnified an already fine line.
And I don't think it was her intention to sort of cause that line, or I would hope that it was not, but I think you have to be very careful.
Now, Underwood says she disputes the notion that alcohol is involved in the majority of sexual assaults to begin with on campuses or otherwise, since so few assaults are actually reported. And Wiley maintains she wanted to simply relay information that could hopefully prevent more victims. In the Dallas newsroom, Dion Anglin, Fox 4 News.